Check out this 2008 Toyota Tundra Limited. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include power windows, passenger vanity mirror, intermittent wipers, passenger airbag, heated front seat, cruise control, keyless entry, power outlet, and power door locks. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.